Hello students, in the last video you learned what is work, measurement of work and unit of work. Now in this video you are going to study about types of work. Work depends upon the angle between force and displacement. The angle between force and displacement we can vary from 0 to 180. So based on angle between force and displacement we are classifying the work into three types. Yes, first one positive work, second one negative work and third one zero work. Yes, now we are going to know what is positive work. If the angle between force and displacement is equal to 0 degree or less than 90 degree, the work is said to be positive work. In another way it is possible to define, when force and displacement are in the same direction, then the work is said to be positive work. Some examples: a freely falling body under gravity. See here, force and displacement both are in the same direction and the angle between force and displacement is 0, so this is positive work. Second example, a man lifting a load. See, force and displacement same direction, the angle between force and displacement is 0, so this is also example for positive work. Next, third one, horse pulling a cart. See, here also horse exerts a force so that cart displaced. Force and displacement both are in the same direction and the angle between them is 0, so this is positive work. So next, negative work. What is negative work? See, if the angle between force and displacement is more than 90 degree and less than or equal to 180 degree, then work is said to be negative work. Or in another way it is possible to define, when force and displacement are in the opposite direction, then work is said to be negative work. Let us see some examples. Work done by friction. See, a boy pushing a box and box is displaced, but frictional force and displacement are in opposite direction and the angle between them is 180 degree, so this is negative work. Second example, when brakes are applied to a vehicle. Yes, here also force and displacement are in opposite direction, so we can say it is example for negative work, and the angle between force and displacement is also 180 degree. Third example, work done by the force of gravity. See, the force of gravity acts downward, but displacement is upward, so here force and displacement are in opposite direction and the angle between force and displacement is 180 degree. So this is also a negative work. Next, third type, that is zero work. What is zero work? When we can say work is zero? See, work is said to be zero if the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. In another way is also possible to define: when force acts on a body and the body does not displaced, then work is said to be zero. Yes, some examples. A man pushing a wall and the wall does not displaced. See here, a man applies a force on wall and the wall is not displaced. Yes, when force applied on somebody and the body does not displaced, then we are saying there is no work. Yes, that is itself zero work. Next example, work done by centripetal force. See here, electron revolving around the nucleus. So here centripetal force acts between electron and nucleus and displacement. See, force and displacement, the angle between them is 90 degree. So this is the example for zero work. Next, one more example here. A person carrying a suitcase and moves horizontally. Here the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. So here also the work is zero. Why here the work is zero? Force and displacement, the angle between force and displacement is what? 90 degree. That's why here work is zero. Okay students, in next video you are going to learn what is power, the unit of power, and the difference between work and power. Yes, wait for next video.